Hi everyone, this is Sam, and I'm so excited to share the story of the Good Shepherd with you today. And this is a special story, and we know it's a special story because it comes in a golden box. Now, some of you might know what the golden box means, and some of you might not. But you've probably seen a special box like this before. Maybe on Christmas or your birthday, you got a box that had colorful paper and shiny ribbon on the outside. And this is a gift, just like your Christmas gift or your birthday gift. And the cool thing about gifts is they're already yours even when you don't know what they are. So in this shiny golden box, we don't know what it is, but we know that what's inside is special and precious and just for us. We don't need to earn it or buy it or take it. It's already ours. So let's look under this lid and see what is in our story today. Okay, let's peek inside. Ooh, it's something green. Ooh, and soft and big. Huh, it's so cozy. Let me open this up and see how big it gets. All right, let's unfold that big piece of green cloth and see how big it gets. Wow, it's a dot, a big green dot. I wonder what this reminds you of. Kind of looks like a balloon. Maybe it's like a big meadow in the middle of a forest with nice soft green grass inside. What else could be in here? Something blue. What could this be? It's so cool and peaceful. It looks like part of the sky. Or maybe like a reflection, like the pond reflecting the sky. What do you think it is? Okay, let's add our blue cloth to our big green dot. What could the cloth be? Maybe it could be the pond that's reflecting the bright sunny sky. There's something else in here. Hold on. There's more blue. There's a couple blue pieces. I wonder what these are. They're so dark and mysterious looking. What do you think they are? All right, now let's add those deep, dark blue pieces. Maybe they can be over here together. Yeah, that looks nice. What's next? What could this be? It kind of looks like a tall tree trunk or a mustache. I wonder if you laid it down flat, if it could be like a log that you walk on. What do you think it is? Okay, let's put our brown strip on here now. There we go. It's kind of like a road. You could start here and end here, or you could start here and end here. We could add another one and make an even wider road. Now 2 people can walk. Or we could make it into a square. Let's add 2 more. Now there's an inside to the square and an outside. We could make these walls even stronger. Let's add some more. We can build up the walls like a big tall fence or a nice strong fort. Let's make the walls sturdy and secure. maybe let's check in the box. Let's look in the box and see if there's anyone who can live here. Oh, look, here are some sheep. They can live here. If this is where sheep live, it's called a sheepfold because the sheep are folded safely inside. All is ready, friends. Let's hear the story of the Good Shepherd. Once there was a man who said such amazing things and did such wonderful things that people began to follow him. But they didn't know who he was, so they asked him, and he said, "I am the Good Shepherd. I know each one of my sheep by name, and they know the sound of my voice. And when I call to them, they follow me. I lead them to the good green grass. I lead them beside cool, clear, still waters. And where there are places of danger, I show them the way through so that they may return safely back to the sheepfold." So, now that you know the story of the Good Shepherd, I have questions. Who are these sheep? I wonder, what are their names? How do they feel when the Good Shepherd says their name? Do you think it makes them feel happy? I wonder, how do they feel in the sheepfold? Do you think they feel safe? Do you have a person that makes you feel happy? Do you have a place that makes you feel safe? I wonder, are there other sheep that need a shepherd? Are there other sheep that need to be in the sheepfold? I wonder, have you ever been through places of danger? Have you ever had a shepherd to help show you the way? I wonder, what could that place really be? What could all of those places be? The sheepfold, the still water, the danger. What could all of those all together really be about? Well, now you know the story, and maybe you can help me with my questions. Also, if you would like to practice telling the story, you can make a video and send it to me, and then we'll share it with the whole church so they too can think about the Good Shepherd and the sheep.